Recording? Good. Here I am eating dog food. This is dog food. Dog food. That shit is so good. Hey, when I'm done eating all the chunky stuff, should I lap up the liquid like a dog?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Definitely?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Prove my point? Get my point across? Right?
Either that or
Show off?
just for the.
Fun of it?
Yep.
This boy just wants to have fun?
I could eat that if I didn't have as much cocoa.
Yeah, I should do a little less cocoa last time. Or this time.
Because I probably would want to be able to taste more of the pineapple.
Yeah. Are we naming off the ingredients of this dog food? Is that what we're doing? Do people want to know what the fuck I'm eating? What is dog food? What am I calling dog food? Okay, what am I calling dog food, Jacob?
We are calling this dog food, which the
ingredient,
the creation that we call dog food, is started with a little mixture of.
What was the base? What did I first throw in the bowl?
The base would be pineapple.
Including the juice, right?
Including the pineapple juice.
Right, from a can, right?
From a can,
right.
In the fridge.
The chunky ones.
Yes.
Not the slice or dice.
Yeah.
Right.
The chunks, pineapple chunks.
Right.
And then it's either going to be the cocoa or the powdered sugar for second.
No, cinnamon.
So, I knew you added cinnamon. I just wasn't.
Cinnamon first.
Okay, cinnamon. And
then the powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. And
actually, with the powdered sugar, cinnamon mix.
Oh, okay. All right.
Through a sifter thingy, right?
Yeah.
What were those things called?
Sifter cup? Yeah. It's like a flour sifter.
Yeah.
And also cocoa.
What kind of cocoa? We have to do some product placement here. Hershey cocoa.
Sugar-free Hershey's cocoa.
Yeah, but we added sugar with the pineapple juice, and I actually added the rest of the sugar that we had in the sugar container, which wasn't that much, it was just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So that's dog food, right? That's a Scooby snack, right?
Pretty much.
Scooby snack. Scooby snack.
This is
I'm almost done, and then I'll wrap it up.
Foodie Scooby snack.
Uh-huh. This was a salty Scooby snack, Cheez-Its, made by Sunshine. Did anybody ever notice who made Cheez-Its?
Sunshine?
Sunshine.
Yeah, one of the names I call you.
Cheese. Yeah, it was one of the names you call me. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. That over there.
You're going to have to eat
I'm
it.
going to drink some wine. Take me. Record me.
It is.
You're not recording me.
No.
Drinking wine. This is red wine. Red wine.
Actually, it's a white Chardonnay. White Chardonnay, or like a.
Zinfandel? What is it?
It's a mixture of red and white together.
Okay.
Red Zinfandel. It's like a white and red mixed together.
Excuse me. Okay. So, kind of.
It is recording. It's recording. It is.
Is it recording me?
Yeah.
Recording
You're in the picture.
Okay.
You are so just like.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
I'm a diva. I know. I'm a diva.
Have you always been a diva though?
Yes. Hello.
More than me.
Oh yeah, I'm the biggest diva there is in the world.
Oh well, you.
Well, next to Madonna. I'm, Madonna first. Madonna's number one. Then Lady Gaga. And then me.
I've met some pretty big divas in my life.
Yeah.
True divas, wannabe divas.
Unadulterated Hawaiian punch.
Yes. Hey, bitch, slap this shit up.
Okay.
Make sure you turn your hat backwards.
Okay.
Me moves. I can get some good lighting on this one.
Okay. Ready? I'm getting full.
You getting full?
Yeah.
And then stop.
Oops. Still on.
Here.
Sorry, I got some on the carpet. We can clean that up. Though.
It's okay.
I'm hungry. I am full. I don't know what I am. Who am I? Where
Good
am I?
little pup.
Who am I? Am I a little pup?
Good little pup.
Mm.
Did you get enough? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm hungry though. I don't know. I'm confused.
Are you?
No? Yes? No? No? I don't know.
What do you? If you are confused, what are you confused about?
Do you ever wonder what these say? What these dog tags say? Babe, conscious. Where? Be aware of the video. You're recording carpet.
Some people might like the color of my
Yeah,
carpet.
they want to see what I'm talking about. They want to see this.
They can hear you.
Yeah, but they can't see the dog tag.
Sometimes it's a sense of illusion and a sense of interest. Here,
Okay.
you want to get the chocolate off your nose first.
Sorry.
Look like you're sniffing an ass.
Anyways, so this is what my dog tags say. Do you know the story behind these? Of course you do, but I don't think they do. So do you mind reliving the story with me?
Go ahead. Let me move this out of the way here.
All right. Okay. So let me get closer to the light here. Let me get some good lighting. Oh. Excuse you, pig.
I'm sure they'll like
I know that's German for the food was awesome. Or thank you, that was German for
well, it's like my dad was saying. That's a compliment to the chef.
Yeah. Yes, more wine. Okay. All right, so the story.
Mom,
Here's a story.
come over here. There it is.
Of dog tags. And why they are so fucking significant to me. I wish I had that cross necklace that you gave me. It sucks that it was stolen from me.
When you were a child.
Yeah. It sucks.
I don't know.
So
They have more. Okay.
yeah.
I can make you another
Yeah,
one.
thank you. Thank you, babe. So the story behind these. You see, my father was a military man. He was a United States Marine. Semper Fi. And he was an old school Marine. He was a decent man, and he still is. You see, when he was a kid, his father killed himself, committed suicide, and he never really got over that. And if it wasn't for the Marines, he'd probably be dead. And he fell in love